Grabe. Pag nagsasampay siya, pag naglalaba, ganun din.
Nakakapulikat yan ha, kapag pinilit mo ha. Guys, siguro, isa kayo sa makikita ko sa mga contestants sa Grand Finals. Minsan ko lang gagawin to sa Showtime. Ito lang, ngayon lang.
Wow, napatayos, Mr. Jong Hilario.
Sarotera, ginawa
Dahil dyan, ito ang score nyo.
Thank you, Jong. Ikaw na, Miss Gladys.
Wala, lagot.
May nag-tweet. Sila Mr. Mike Shinichus
Kaaway mo
ng
ba yun?
Red Cup.
Kaaway mo ba yung nag-tweet?
Nag-tweet ako.
Hindi.
Nung binanggit mo, parang kaaway mo.
May nag-tweet.
Oo. Huwag kayo nangingialam. Ito, Mr. Larry
Tayo
Policarpio.
tuloy aawayin niya. Oh.
At ito si Bridget and May de la Peña ng New Jersey. Iisa lang naman ang sinasabi nila. At syempre si Direk Wendy Ramos, iisa lang sinasabi nila.
Masabi.
Nakakakilabot. At sa ginawa niyong yan, eto sa inyo.
Thank you, Miss Gladys. Ikaw naman ngayon. Vice, ganda.
Alam mo, sa ginawa nyo, hindi nyo na binigyan yung mga judges ng mahabang panahon para makapag-isip ng sasabihin. Di ba? Ang bibilis nilang magsalita. Di ba? Kasi, ibig sabihin, na-satisfy. Yun lang yun.
Correct.
Di ba? Na-satisfy. And I really love the attitude of this group.
Pardon me? What?
I love the attitude. I just thought that the performance was perfect. It was very well done.
Excuse me, where are you from?
I'm from here. Where are you from? Are you from there?
From there.
From there.
Yeah.
From there. From there. Okay. And I really believed Mr. Andrew E. about what he said a while ago. He liked the animosity.
Animosity.
Animosity, which means ill will or strong hatred.
What?
That is what it meant. Animosity.
We're deep, huh?
I'm deep?
Yeah.
Oh, are you shallow? Okay, and I thought the performance was very artistic, and I just couldn't help but fall in love with you guys and your performance.
Wow.
Yeah, I am speaking in English because the guy a while ago who introduced the group was speaking in English, and I just thought that I think it will be kind of hard for him to understand me if I will speak in Tagalog. Aren't you Filipino, sir? Yes, you are.
Come here. Okay.
You are Filipino.
Yeah.
So can you speak in Filipino, in Tagalog?
Medyo lang po.
Medyo lang po.
Pero kung sa Bisaya, suabe eh.
I loved it.
Sa Bisaya, swabe, ha?
I loved it because I thought
Thank you.
I thought you're a foreigner, just like the guy a while ago there who spoke about his score. Where are you from, sir? Australia. Oh, you are from the land down under.
Land down under indeed.
Australia, the land down under.
Don't let the accent fool you.
I am from 6 feet under.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I have a question to you.
I'm not a sir. Don't address me, sir. I'm a
sorry,
ma'am.
ma'am?
I'm a ma'am.
Oh,
Madam.
or
madam,
maybe
madam.
or. Are you or?
It.
Okay.
Just call me it.
It. Do you love this guy? Do you like this guy?
I like that guy because he's so artistic. Yeah, and I admire his artistry. I love the art that he showed me. And do you like me as well?
Of course I do.
Thank you so much. I am so elated. Yeah.
Thank you.
All I can say about this group is I can describe you in one Tagalog word.
What's that?
Wagi. Wagi. Pag hinimay mo ang mga bawat titik ng salitang wagi, W-A-G-I, wagi, winner ang grupong ito.
Wow! Wagi!
Nawawala ang pindutan ko.
Wagi! Jeez! Ang binigay na score ni Vice! Maraming salamat sa ating mga urados! Jukes and Terry! Ano dyan nangyari sa backstage?
Thank you po ang inaan. Nandito na kami sa backstage. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not.
Sakit, pare!
Bakit?
Ginagawa mong bulaklak yung ulo ko eh.
Hindi ba yun yun?
Hindi! Dapat surot yung tangli mo.
Ay, sorry. Kuto lang.
Kuto pala, kuto.
Surot? May surot ba dyan? Ano surot yan?
Teka lang, gusto mo gawin ko sa'yo yun?
Yeah. Sige. Tingnan mo. Aray ko na eh. Hindi yan dito eh. Sakit eh. Hindi ka pare. Ito matanong kita, ha?
Oh.
Since nandito na naman tayo, steady tayo dito. Nagkukutuhan tayo. Gusto pa magkape tayo.
Ay nako, napakasarap magkape.
Balita ko, araw-araw
Araw-araw nagkakape ako, nakakasampung kape ako. Kaya back to you, Kuya Kim.
Kamusta ka?
Okay! Okay, thank you very much, Teddy and Jukes. Alam nyo, nabanggit nyo ang kape. Alam nyo ba na kape ang pinakapopular na inumin sa buong mundo, next to water. At sa Pilipinas, humigit kumulang sa 30,000 magsasaka kasama ang kanilang pamilya ang umaasa sa kape bilang kanilang pangunahing kabuhayan. Kaya naman saludo. Yes, thank you very much, DJ MOD. Saludo ang Nescafe sa lahat ng Filipino coffee farmers. Kung kaya't ang Nescafe ay may programang sumusuporta sa kanilang kabuhayan. At ngayon, alam niyo ba na maaari na rin kayong sumuporta sa ating Filipino coffee farmers? Yan ang mensahe na nakasulat sa t-shirts ng Madlang People. Madlang People, pakita natin ang mga t-shirt natin! Ayan! Lahat ng mga Madlang People natin, nakasuot ng t-shirt. Plant the future! Bumili lamang ng 2010 Special Limited Edition Nescafe Classic First Pick sa inyong supermarket at grocery. Hanapin ang unique code at mag-log on sa www.nescafe.com.ph/firstpick. I-register ang inyong unique code at adopt a little beanie. Ito'y katumbas ng isang actual coffee seedling na ibibigay sa isang local farming community. Makakakuha din kayo ng updates tungkol sa inyong little beanie at sa website na aking nabanggit. Maaari rin niyong matuklasan ang pinanggalingan ng inyong Nescafe Classic First Pick Jar. Maalaman ang iba't ibang programa ng Nescafe at matuto ng iba't ibang interesting facts about coffee. Ang Nescafe Classic First Pick ay limited edition coffee na gawa sa 100% pure Filipino coffee, handpicked with care by Filipino farmers during the beginning of the harvest season. Kasama sa mga iba pang Nescafe Classic First Pick Jar, buy now and start your adventure with Lil Beanie. Para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano ang sinabi ko, just log on to www.nescafe.com.ph/firstpick. Okay, Madlang People, tuloy-tuloy ang saya sa magwagaling ng your show, your time,